Hello and welcome to Hube's Hot Laps. I'm Martin Hughes and today I'm going to be taking on the 500 metre indoor circuit at TeamSport in Coventry. Without further ado, enjoy! If you are new to the channel, please remember to hit like and subscribe for future karting content. Whether it be Hube's Reviews, where I review different go-karting tracks and venues across the UK, whether it be Hube's Hot Laps, where I try and take on circuits and beat their average time, or whether it's just general karting content, remember to hit like and subscribe. Click the green helmet that's down here, and remember to hit the bell for all your notifications.